Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Kraft olive oil vinaigrettes, raspberry 14 fluid ounces, 414 milliliters. This is just the new vinaigrette with olive oil, and it just says extra virgin olive oil, made with extra virgin olive oil. And yeah, on the back it just says Kraft olive oil vinaigrettes, raspberry, made with extra virgin olive oil and real red raspberries. And the nutrition facts are on the back. It just says serving size 2 teaspoons, servings 14, calories 70, and it just gives all these good ingredients: total fats, total carbs, cholesterol, sodium, protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and yeah, all this good stuff. So, getting started, I have a secret fascination with dressings. Salad is one of the go-to meals that I do eat when I do decide to eat a meal. And I just honestly love salad. It's just one of those things where I just feel like it's so light, but yet so much, like it fulfills me so much. And even though like my mom always like, you're just eating crunchy water, guys, crunchy water is good. My problem is that I'm addicted to ranch. So this started when I was 12. I literally eat ranch with everything. I eat ranch with my pizza. I eat ranch with my chicken. I eat ranch with pretty much anything that you can dip in ranch. They probably need to like send me to a ranchaholics meeting because I definitely am like yeah, I'm pretty obsessed with ranch. But when I started like really paying attention to what I was putting in my body, just really looking at like the intake of things and like carbs and the sodium and the salt levels, ranch is just not like something that you want to be putting in your body all the time. And it definitely will ruin the salad. So I literally had this conversation with my cousin and I was like, hey, please admit me into ranch. Please, please, please admit me into ranch rehab because I have a serious problem and it needs to get fixed. So she was like, okay, well, she was like, something that I do is I drizzle a little olive oil in my salad and I toss it, and I put a little salt and I toss it, and she's like, and it tastes really good. And I was like, olive oil is really not ranch, but I guess I'll try it. Guys, I tried it and I hated it. It just felt like I was eating slimy salad and I just did not like it. But then she was like, you know what, if you don't like that, she was like, there's a lot of dressings that have olive oil in it, like vinaigrette dressings. So before this dressing, I was never a huge vinaigrette fan. I don't think I rarely ate it because I was too busy paying attention to the love of my life ranch. But this really made me pay attention to the different dressings in the world and that there were more than one dressing in the world. It really opened my eyes. And at first, I was very skeptical. So there's all these modern day takes on salads where people put raspberries in it. I've seen people put almonds in salads, oranges, apples, anything that they classify as a fruit. I've seen them toss it in a salad, and I'm just like a very like Cobb salad, Caesar salad girl. So anything with like vegetables and cheese is definitely the salad for me. I'm just not like a huge like go-getter or trend or like a stepping on the wild side of the salad things is definitely not who I am. But this really, really, really makes my taste buds happy. Guys, this dressing is so light. It honestly tastes so good. You barely can taste like the olive oiliness to it, if that is a word and that makes sense. The raspberry flavor does come out, but I honestly don't mind it because it complements my salad so much. I would say Kraft is like one of the brands that like I just feel like I grew up on. Guys, not to get off topic, but Kraft macaroni and cheese will always have a special place in my heart, just how I feel like it will have a special place in a lot of other people's hearts. But it is just one of those things for me that's just like, I love Kraft. Like, it's like one of my favorite things to probably eat But yeah, so this is just like one of those things for me where I just feel like it never gets old to me. I love the way it tastes. I love pretty much everything about this dressing. I love the light vinaigrette to it. I love the raspberry tasting to it. The olive oil, like I said, you barely can taste it, but it's just so good. And if you guys can see at the bottom, so I just want to shake it up a little bit, but all the raspberry pieces are getting stuck. But if you guys can see it, it kind of reminds me of like a sweet and sour sauce. That's how I want to explain it. Just like a sweet and sour sauce. It has like the little seeds and stuff at the bottom. The raspberry is definitely one of my favorite parts about this, and I just got done saying I don't like to walk on the dangerous side of my salad ventures, but guys, the raspberry in this is honestly so good. I literally just want to eat it all. Like, I can eat like probably a big bowl of salad with this dressing. It tastes so good. Made me forget about ranch for the small portions that I eat salad for, which is good because I'm a ranchaholic. But I super love this dressing, and like I said before, this is just the olive oil vinaigrette raspberry by Kraft.